We're developing products based on these stem cells that could allow them to be delivered very simply by an intravenous injection, taking advantage of the properties that they will home to the specific damaged tissue that we're trying to target. For example, in inflamed joints in patients with rheumatoid arthritis, these cells will find themselves going to the inflamed joint and selectively treating that joint. Otherwise, we're looking at lung disease. So in certain inflammatory lung diseases, the cells from a simple intravenous injection will find their way straight to the inflamed lung and be able to do their thing locally without actually getting to other healthy tissues where you don't want them to go.